How to find recently watched videos on Facebook. Firstly, open Facebook app, then make sure to sign in on your Facebook account. Once done, tap on three-line icon at the top right corner of the screen. This will let you access to the menu page where you have to scroll down and select Settings and Privacy. Again, select Settings. Once you're on the Settings and Privacy page, scroll all the way down and under your activity, select Activity Log option. On the section when you scroll, you will see the option of videos watch. Tap on it and here you will see all the recently watched videos on Facebook. So in this way you can easily find out the videos you have watched on Facebook. If you wish to clear the video watch history, you can tap on clear video watch history and clear all the history of the video you have watched on Facebook. So that is how we find recently watched videos on Facebook. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, then do like, share and comment on this video. If you are new to our channel, then subscribe and press the notification bell so that you won't miss any updates from this channel. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.